Hi! Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day! Oh, let us thank the Lord for He is good, His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 12, verse 22, the Lord detests, hate the lying lips, but He delights to those who tell the truth. My friend, learn the value of truthfulness. Right? You know, when the spiritual eyes enlightened, he realized what is real lies. Because the Lord wants us to be truthful, to walk in the truths, that is walking in the light. So the key to be set free from any lies is by knowing the truth. The truth is so powerful that will set you free. So I encourage and challenge everyone to always tell the truth, no matter what is the reason, and be truthful. So my friend, that is a friendly reminder to everyone. I declare to all of you, Shalom, Shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.